Welcome back to the Oracles of Wealth, your premier daily cosmic guide to financial success. Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2026, and we have officially crossed into day 4 of the Wealth Portal, the integration phase. The high-voltage Gemini Sun is forming a critical angle today, forcing real-world markets to face a massive structural reality check. Our proprietary web data scan reveals that the Bloomberg Luxury Watch Index has just hit a fresh annual low, signaling that high-net-worth individuals are aggressively liquidating physical collectibles to pile back into raw cash positions. Meanwhile, global trucking volume is showing a sharp stabilization, proving that industrial movement is quietly defending the economic floor. Retail sentiment is shifting from blind hope into calculated accumulation. Let's decode your exact 60-second daily horoscope tracker and the winning lucky numbers for all 12 signs today. Aries, your second house of personal liquidity and material possessions is interacting directly with the broader corporate grid today. Our live whale tracking systems show major infrastructure firms quietly reallocating capital away from luxury holding accounts and directly into high-yield commercial paper. With the Gemini transits sharpening your cognitive speed, you must mirror this tactical elite behavior immediately. Stop allowing small percentages of your cash to sit dormant in low-yield checking accounts or highly volatile speculative assets. Your explicit financial ritual today is to transfer a defined piece of your daily capital into an interest-bearing treasury asset or short-term liquid fund. Capitalize on the global luxury flush by maintaining an absolute premium cash position. Balance your risk profile, execute clean daily transactions, set your targets, and watch your margins expand. Lucky numbers: 4, 13, 22. Taurus, the cosmic frequencies are highlighting your first house of identity and personal net worth architecture as the trading week accelerates. Real-world market data reveals a massive wave of executive diversification across traditional blue-chip sectors, proving that institutional leaders are silently restructuring their personal balance sheets before June. You must step out of your traditional comfort zone today and implement a highly structured financial rebalancing across your active portfolios. Your explicit financial ritual today is to identify your single highest performing asset and lock in a small percentage of profit to secure your baseline. Do not let emotional attachment to an investment blind you to changing macro realities. Organize your capital, protect your personal equity reserves, copy the elite playbooks, and secure your long-term wealth baseline. Lucky numbers: 5, 14, 23. Gemini, the sun continues to radiate power directly inside your first house, sending your personal wealth generation frequency to its absolute peak. Internet sentiment scans show the retail investing crowd shifting aggressively into calculated accumulation strategies, creating a massive wave of momentum for digital platforms. This is your ultimate cosmic moment to capitalize on your natural intellectual versatility and launch a secondary cash flow stream. Your explicit financial ritual today is to officially publish an offer, reach out to an elite network partner, or finalize a digital contract that monetizes your personal expertise. Do not let perfectionism paralyze your execution today. Step directly into your entrepreneurial authority, leverage your expanding network, negotiate for premium equity, and watch your daily revenue scale rapidly. Lucky numbers: 3, 12, 21. Cancer, while the public financial forums scream with emotional noise today, your true wealth leverage is operating completely behind the scenes. On-chain data trackers just flagged a massive $75 million corporate capital restructuring event, proving that elite operators are isolating their core assets in private holding structures. You must execute your wealth building with this exact level of strategic discretion this morning. Your explicit financial ritual today is to quietly audit your private statements, remove unnecessary administrative drags, and separate your capital from toxic or over-leveraged relationships. Do not seek external validation or public praise for your economic choices today. Trust your deep intuitive radar, insulate your private sanctuary, build in total silence, and let your compounding wealth do the talking. Lucky numbers: 2, 11, 20. Leo, your 11th house of elite collaborative masterminds and corporate alliances is heavily illuminated as the macro markets accelerate. Global industrial indicators reveal heavy machinery production and commercial transport systems building robust forward momentum, proving that the physical backbone of the economy is expanding. You must align your professional focus with this long-term structural scaling today. Your explicit financial ritual today is to take absolute executive command of a professional group project or pitch a bold collaborative strategy to a high-net-worth ally. The corporate landscape is looking for decisive visionary leadership right now. Command the floor, project unshakable authority, present your data with mathematical precision, and let the incoming capital naturally follow your executive timeline. Lucky numbers: 1, 10, 19. Virgo, your exceptional gift for deep data analysis is your greatest economic advantage in today's shifting market landscape. Regional freight indices are showing an unexpected stabilization in transportation logistics, indicating that a quiet macroeconomic rebound is firmly taking root beneath the surface. This mechanical shift directly hits your 10th house of career legacy and professional execution. Your explicit financial ritual today is to ruthlessly organize your digital workspace, streamline your operational business budgets, and refine your investment targets. The universe is preparing to expand your professional territory, but you must possess the structural efficiency to manage the incoming volume. Apply your analytical knowledge practically, remove all operational inefficiencies, maximize your productivity, and prepare for an immediate career upgrade. Lucky numbers: 7, 16, 25. Libra, the mid-week planetary transits demand that you permanently abandon short-term local anxieties and adopt a comprehensive global view. Major international indices are experiencing significant structural shifts, proving that geographic diversification is the ultimate armor against localized economic volatility. Your 9th house of cross-border assets, foreign commerce, and international market trends is fully active today. Your explicit financial ritual today is to spend 1 hour deeply investigating a global asset class, international real estate trend, or foreign digital market that sits outside your comfort zone. Diversify your intellectual and physical capital to insulate your baseline from upcoming regional shifts. Balance your internal scales by expanding your external horizon. The wealth is waiting globally, claim your share. Lucky numbers: 6, 15, 24. Scorpio, you are the absolute master of extracting massive value from market chaos, and today's liquidity flush drops you directly into your element. Institutional tracking networks show massive asset reallocations worth over $1 billion, resulting in a dramatic flush of over-leveraged retail capital. This sudden volatility is exposing a beautiful structural inefficiency inside your 8th house of shared resources and passive wealth systems. Your explicit financial ritual today is to dive straight into the microdata of your contracts, crypto wallets, and joint holding structures. Locate the hidden mathematical flaw or arbitrage window that the panicked public has overlooked. Move with absolute discretion, ignore the retail noise, and quietly secure the bag while the crowd scrambles blindly. Lucky numbers: 9, 18, 27. Sagittarius, the cosmic portal is rapidly accelerating directly across your 7th house of strategic business alliances and legal contractual foundations. Our tracking systems reveal elite asset managers utilizing strict dual momentum strategies to balance traditional security with aggressive digital expansion, proving that unyielding structural clarity is the ultimate key to growth. You must mirror this precise operational discipline today as the business week intensifies. Your explicit financial ritual today is to establish ironclad, non-negotiable boundaries regarding your professional time and capital. Refuse to accept vague verbal agreements or casual handshakes. Demand that every single financial expectation be put in writing. Protect your signature, defend your value, and secure your sovereign wealth. Lucky numbers: 8, 17, 26. Capricorn, you cannot scale a massive global financial empire if your daily operational mechanics remain fundamentally unorganized. Global wealth tracking data shows legendary founders systematically liquidating standard equity to fund private, long-term infrastructure projects, proving that automated liquid workflows drive the elite tiers of business. Today, the planetary transits are targeting your 6th house of administrative tracking and daily routines. Your explicit financial ritual today is to implement a highly rigid, computerized cash flow tracking tool or completely automate a tedious daily administrative task. By entirely stripping away your operational drag today, you instantly free up the mental bandwidth required to execute major capital plays later this week. Structure is your premium currency, build it now. Lucky numbers: 8, 17, 26. Aquarius, a high-voltage surge of visionary brilliance is electrifying your 5th house of speculative assets and digital branding today. On-chain network trackers have just flagged multi-million-dollar whale wallet transfers moving through decentralized protocols, showing that the core architecture of alternative finance is actively positioning for a major move. The cosmos is handing you a clear green light to break completely free from traditional economic models. Your explicit financial ritual today is to draft a comprehensive risk model or technical data blueprint for an unconventional, technology-driven asset concept. Do not gamble blindly under this transit. Back your unique genius with hard empirical numbers. Innovate systematically today, map your parameters, and collect your returns. Lucky numbers: 4, 13, 22. Pisces, your primary cosmic directive today remains absolute domestic security and foundational asset insulation. The Luxury Watch Index hitting new lows proves that high-end consumers are retreating into defensive cash positions, showcasing a clear macro shift toward absolute financial safety. Before you deploy capital into the open market, your private sanctuary must be fully protected. Your fourth house of real estate and core structural assets is holding the heaviest protective charge today. Your explicit financial ritual today is to execute a physical security upgrade to your property or transition a portion of capital into an untouchable vault. Block out the external market anxiety, ground your energy, and watch your assets compound in complete peace. Lucky numbers: 2, 11, 20. If your birthday is today, Tuesday, May 26th, you are stepping directly into an extraordinary year of professional integration and financial scaling. Born in the heart of Gemini season, your next 12 months will be completely defined by operational versatility, digital network expansion, and the mastery of multiple revenue streams. The cosmos is explicitly demanding that you shatter any remaining reliance on a single, fragile source of income. This year, your rapid cognitive processing is your highest value asset, and you will find incredible success by connecting technological automation with your personal brand. Trust your sharp intellect to identify emerging global economic trends long before the general public, build unyielding legal and operational foundations, and watch your net worth multiply rapidly over the next 12 months. That completes your daily financial horoscope and Day 4 portal coordinates for Tuesday, May 26, 2026. The liquidity flush has officially begun, and your willingness to adapt today determines your financial altitude tomorrow. To lock your accounts into today's wealth frequency and support our community, drop your sun sign and your lucky numbers in the comments below with the word dual. If you are ready to stay one step ahead of the institutional money shifts, hit that subscribe button right now. Turn on your daily notifications, and I will see you tomorrow morning for your next reading.